Florida fixture project from back in the beginning when we just moved in. Chris gave me orders for more shelving for the existing cabinets. It was melamine, so I picked up a couple of pieces at Lowe's. She gave me all the dimensions she needed, and it was easy work to set up the crosscut jig and get those perfect square cuts, exactly the lengths that I need, and just laser crisp edges with that Festool track, the splinter guard, and the splinter guard on the saw, so it takes care of inside and outside and top and bottom against the bench. So good clean cuts, accurate cuts, exactly what I needed. Made quick work of it. The melamine material is fairly low end there, and it had some problems. I ended up fixing it, which you'll see here in a minute how I did that. I didn't have any choice. Also note in the crosscut jig, you'll see now, and when I move the camera around here in a bit, the rail clips I'm using to hold the rail to the dogs are the UJKs. I've used those forever and they've been fine, but in the last year I switched over to the Dave Stanton ones. He sent me a set. I will put a link to that video in this video, and you can go and check it out. They are fairly inexpensive and they are superior. They're the best clamps I've come up with for hooking a track to bench dogs, which I do a lot. You can see this edge banding is super thin, really, light duty stuff, but fortunately I was able to heat it up and get the glue hot and get it all down and just treat it as if I were re-edge banding it, and even used the trimmer, the edge trimmer, took the edges down, and it's over a year later and it's holding up well. Again, this kitchen, we're going to replace all these cabinets when we remodel. If you want to get a set of plans to build the crosscut jig or the panel rig for your Polk Smart Bench, there's a link in the description of this video down below. Mahalo.